punch it. I'd be in attack position for this though. There you go. Yep. Way to keep control. All right, hold on, D. All right.
Okay, let's do this. Okay.
All right, bud. So now, this one, you basically just kind of, I would just hang off the back of your bike and you just got to ride it through to the other side. If you just get down there and just let your brakes out, it goes uphill at the other side.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. 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 Okie dokie. Dad, I'm not sure about this. I think I'm going slow.
All right, just keep it trekking. You got this. Just go up and down. Nice.
Starting to get the hang of this. Okie dokie.
Big Daddy. All right, This one is the same as it looks. You basically just ride it down and then you can use whatever brakes you want on the way back up.
It's as scary as it looks.
You just hit it down.
Gonna try it. Okay.
You could have even gone faster.
Okay, the route. Take it like this. I did it.
That was sweet.
Here we go. This part looks kind of easy to me. I'm doing Switchblade. Oh, oh. Not as I expected.
Try it?
What?
I'll hit it first.
That looks too steep. Okay. Switchblade. Looks easy the rest of the way to me.